video will show you how to use your AirPods when you're listening to music. Go to settings. I have already connected my AirPods with my phone, so go to the Bluetooth. Here, click on the eye. Now, let's see what's there in the left AirPod. I have chosen play and pause for my left AirPod. However, you can choose either Siri, next track, previous track, or just turn off from using it altogether. Now for the right, I have chosen next track, but you can choose as per your own convenience. Basically, the AirPods that we use have a touch sensitive body here, and by tapping 2 times, whatever the function we have turned it on works fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.